it's Bridey here from Nyingarn. I'm going to show you today how to convert your Word document transcription to a TEI XML document that can be ingested into the Nyingarn Workspace. So I've already created and named my item in the Nyingarn Workspace, and I've named it according to the Workspace naming conventions. So I've called it XM759 with no spaces. I have uploaded my image files to the item, but you can see that I haven't sent it through optical character recognition. There's a red cross there, and there is currently no TEI text file. So if I click into a thumbnail, you can see in the right and preview tabs of the transcription, there's nothing there. So what I want to do is match my transcription that I have in Word up to these image files. So the first thing I'm going to do is rename my Word transcription file. It's important to have consistent naming across these files so that the Workspace can recognize them. So I'm going to copy and paste the correct name for my file here. So if you have a TEI file or Word document converted to TEI, that's what we'll do now. Name the file XM759-TEI. So I'm going to go to my document and I'm going to rename it with that correct naming convention. Okay, now I can open up my document. And you can see that I've added a header to each page of my transcription, which has the Nyingarn item name and a sequence number. So for example, XM759-001. I've done that for every page of transcription, 002, 003, 004. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to style these headings with a page style. So there's just a couple of formatting things we need to do to be able to convert this Word document correctly to TEI. So firstly, we're going to create a style for our page names. So I'm going to the Styles pane on the Home tab. I'm going to expand that, and I'm going to click A+ here to create a new style. Okay, name, I'm going to call my style page. Style type, it's going to be character. And I'm going to add a color to my style just so that I can see what's changed in the document. There we go. So I've put it in this nice red color. Now I'm going to click OK, and you have created a new style called page. Now what I want to do is apply this style to the names of each page of the transcription. So I'm going to go to find and replace. And what do I want to find? I want to find the title of each page. And they each have a different sequence of numbers next to it. So I'm going to put 3 question marks as wildcards. And I just want to make sure if I click the More tab that I click Use Wildcards on. Otherwise, Word won't pick up on it. And I want to replace with format, a style, and we're going to find the page style that we've just created. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to say replace all. We made 75 replacements. That's good. There's 75 pages of transcription. Okay, close this, and we can see that the change has been made consistently across the document because of that color change in the page style. Okay, so what we need to do next, I have page breaks in this document, so I need to remove those. All page breaks should be removed. I'm going to go back to find and replace. In find what, I'm going to go to special here, and I'm choosing page or section break. This will insert this little -m, and I'm going to replace it with nothing. No style. Okay. So we want to remove them entirely. So we replace it with nothing. Replace all. We made 70 replacements. Great. And we can see that that has taken place because instead of having a page break between each manuscript page that's reflected here, they're now on the same page. So XM 759002 has popped up to the same page as 001, and likewise with our other pages of transcription. So now our document is ready to be converted to TEI. I'm going to save that here. And what I'm going to do is go back online, and I'm going to go to the TEI Garage tool. This is just an online tool. I want to convert from documents, and I will select convert from Microsoft Word docx. That's what my document is. And convert to TEI P5 XML document here. I need to choose the file. Okay, so here's my file. This file is in use. Okay, I need to close my document. Let's try again. And convert. And once this document has been converted to TEI XML, it will be automatically downloaded into your computer, and it should be named like this, xm759-tei.xml. So now let's just test that out in the workspace. We'll try uploading it and see if it matches image to transcription. I'm going to choose files to upload. It will be in my downloads folder. Give it a little bit of thinking time. Okay, it says this has been successful with this green tick. So let's have a look at the manuscript pages and see if they have been matched with the transcription. Yes, they have. Okay, so this page that was blank before now has this lovely marked up TEI version. If we look in preview, it's formatted as it was in our Word file transcription. So I hope that is helpful for you, and see you next time.